Hey friends, for today's video, I'm going to try a new medium that I actually have had. I've had these crayons in my closet for a long time and I haven't pulled them out, and I wanted to do that today because I love trying new mediums. And wow, I actually ended up loving these water-soluble wax pastels. They are by the brand Crayons. They're the Neo Color 2 ones. They are meant as like a watercolor, so first you draw with them and then you can add water with just a brush over the top and make it more like a watercolor. But I actually love how this turned out without adding water, so I'm not going to add water to this one, but you can if you want to. The idea for this video is just to try out a new medium. I got a set of 30 of these Neo Color 2s and it comes with a great option of colors. Just get as many as you want. I think they're about $2 a piece depending on how many you buy, but they are a lot of fun and they do go a long way. So again, for this video, I'm going to be drawing this bird, and you can just follow along with me. If you have this same set, you can grab the same colors that I grab. I'm just going to add a lot of texture and variation and color and just have a lot of fun with it. For the bird in the beginning, I chose to make him like pink and peach colored. And then the background, I want to make the bird stand out more, so I'm going to do like a green. So kind of opposite colors on the color wheel. That way the bird doesn't get lost in the background. I used my white to kind of blend everything in and just give it this really soft look. There's not a lot to say, but if you are following along and this is your first time using these crayons, you can just follow along exactly what I do or make up your own thing, whatever you want to do. When I'm trying out a new medium, a lot of times I like to just copy something because it makes it a lot easier and kind of builds confidence with that medium. So feel free to copy exactly what I'm doing here. The really nice thing about these wax pastels is you can do lots of layers and it looks nice. Again, you're gonna have to play around. It's harder to do light on top of dark. It might not show up as well, but you can start with lighter colors and then build on top of them with darker colors. For the background, I tried to do the basic shapes of these flowers and leaves that I wanted, and then go around them with the green, and then come in over the top with some of the darker colors. I hope you had as much fun as I did creating this fun bird. It turned out so great, and I actually have found one of my new favorite mediums that I'm going to end up using a lot. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.